Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the way we work and live. In simple terms, AI is about making machines smart. These machines can learn from data just like humans and use this knowledge to perform tasks that previously required human intelligence. One area where AI is making significant strides is data entry. Data entry, traditionally a time-consuming and repetitive task, is being transformed by AI. AI-powered systems can now automate many aspects of data entry, freeing up human workers for more strategic and creative tasks. This shift is not just about improving efficiency, it's about reimagining the way we handle information. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications in data entry and other fields. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the workplace, making it more efficient, accurate, and ultimately more human-centered. The future of data entry is intelligent, automated, and full of exciting possibilities. AI is like having a super-fast assistant for data entry. AI-powered systems can process large volumes of data quickly and accurately, significantly reducing the time it takes to complete data entry tasks. This speed and efficiency translate into cost savings for businesses and faster turnaround times for customers. Imagine a scenario where a company receives hundreds of invoices daily. Manually entering data from these invoices would be time-consuming and prone to errors. With AI, the process becomes much smoother. AI-powered optical character recognition, or OCR, technology can scan invoices, extract relevant data, and populate databases automatically. This increased efficiency allows human employees to focus on more complex tasks that require critical thinking, problem-solving, and creativity. By automating repetitive tasks, AI empowers businesses to optimize their workforce and enhance overall productivity. The result is a more streamlined and efficient workflow that benefits both the company and its employees. Humans make mistakes, it's in our nature. However, in data entry, even small errors can have significant consequences. This is where AI comes in. AI-powered systems excel at accuracy. They can perform data entry tasks with a level of precision that is difficult for humans to match, especially when dealing with large data sets. AI algorithms can identify and correct errors in real time, ensuring data integrity. By minimizing errors, businesses can improve data quality, leading to better decision-making, more accurate reporting, and improved customer satisfaction. The ability to maintain high levels of accuracy is crucial in industries like finance, healthcare, and manufacturing, where even minor discrepancies can have significant implications. Furthermore, AI systems can learn from their mistakes. As they process more data, they become better at identifying and correcting errors, continuously improving their accuracy over time. This self-learning capability is a key advantage of AI, making it an invaluable tool for data-driven businesses. In essence, AI not only minimizes errors but also learns from them to prevent future occurrences, ensuring a consistently high level of data accuracy. AI is not just about automating existing data entry tasks, it's also about transforming the nature of the work itself. As AI takes over repetitive and rule-based tasks, the role of data entry professionals is evolving. Instead of manually inputting data, they are increasingly taking on roles that require higher-level skills. Data analysts, for example, can now leverage AI tools to analyze vast amounts of data, identify trends, and generate insights that would have been impossible to uncover manually. Similarly, data scientists can use AI to build predictive models and develop innovative solutions based on data patterns. The automation of basic data entry tasks allows these professionals to focus on more strategic and impactful work. This shift represents a positive development for the workforce. By taking over mundane tasks, AI empowers employees to upskill and take on more challenging and rewarding roles. It also opens up new career opportunities in fields related to AI, data science, and data analytics. The future of data entry is not about replacing human workers, but about augmenting their capabilities and creating new possibilities.